Okay, screen updating. I will show you. Same worksheet function I'm using here. Application dot worksheet function. We lookup value, range, 5 false. Same, right? We are using in Excel. Same.
Team. Okay. Yeah.
Whatever we are using the function in Excel now, same can use in here using application dot worksheet function dot. If you put, everything will come. Worksheet
Okay.
function dot sum, whatever function we have in Excel, everything will come here.
Yeah.
Understood? It is almost like Excel only. We have to know how to use it. Here also, see, lookup value means the table, which lookup
Okay.
value means, okay, I will explain you. It
Yes.
is in Excel function only I'm using. Just writing what I'm writing. Hmm. ID assisting. Why it's coming in as long time. ID assisting. Okay. Lookup value on error go to. Okay. Whenever if you write VBA function, any program, na, it is, it's
Yes.
always we have to indent our program correctly. Indent means, see, after for condition, for and next I have written same line, and whatever inside that I'm given right side, right? And all the variable we have to declare first. Huh? There is some format we have to follow. See, here when I'm writing if condition, whatever there in inside if na, I'm intending to right side. So it is easy for you to understand the code, right? Indent, see this here, see here. Suppose previously like this and all, if you write, then it's not looking good, right? So for we have to indent correctly, neatly, so
Yeah.
other people also can understand.
Yes.
Neatly it looks also.
Okay.
That's what we are using command also. When you are writing, developing one thing, others should understand it clearly. No. So
Yes.
each module we will write some command also, what it does do, like that. Hmm?
Okay.